Hey everyone, my name's Nick, and today I'm going to show you how to make a great double stack burger. The first part about making a great burger is picking a great piece of beef. At the restaurant, we like to use chuck. We prefer chuck because it has a higher fat content than other cuts of beef. To us, fat equals flavor. Let's talk seasoning. While chuck has a lot of natural flavors, you can season it with something as easy as salt and pepper. What we like to do is to that salt and pepper mix, we'll add onion, garlic, and cayenne. What that does is in the skillet, it will help create a crust and caramelize the burger. At the restaurant, we grind our beef fresh daily. I'm going to take 1 pound of our fresh ground beef and divide it into 4 equal portions. Okay, now for the fun part. We're going to cook our burgers in a cast iron skillet. We love using a cast iron skillet because you can use this anywhere. You can use this on your stovetop, on your grill, anywhere you'd like. So we got this skillet really hot to the point where it's smoking. Then we're going to put a little vegetable oil in the pan. I'm going to take my seasoning and season the pan, and you can hear the seasoning start to crisp up. I'm going to put my 2 burgers in there. You hear that sizzle? I'm going to wait for about 10 seconds, and I'm going to go ahead and smash both the burgers down. Those are going to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 or 4 minutes, we'll see the outside of the burger starting to lift itself up from the skillet. Get under it, give it a nice flip. You see that great crust that we formed? Then we're going to take our thin sliced onion, place it on top of the burger, and we're going to cover it with a thick piece of American cheese. And that's going to help steam the onion. And we're just going to naturally let that cheese melt in the pan to allow that onion to steam. Once the cheese has a cellophane look, we're going to go ahead and stack them on top of one another. Okay, let's talk buns. When choosing a bun, we choose a brioche bun because it's a little sweeter than a regular bun. We're going to butter both sides of it and toast it in a Teflon pan for 2 to 3 minutes until it's golden brown. Once our bun is toasted, we're going to take 3 pickles, put it on the top. We're going to place our burger on the bottom bun. And there you have our double stack burger. Wow, crunchy, crispy, juicy. The American cheese gives it a flavor like there's mayonnaise on it, this great creaminess. The vinegar and the pickles makes it taste like there's mustard on it. Just a great burger. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel below and send us your pictures of your double stack burger. Enjoy. Here we go, like, let's go. Where do you want my hands? Like, is this good? Is this good? Like, it's hard. That helps create a crust on our burger as we're cooking it.
Cooking?
I don't know.